One man lived in complete isolation for over 2 decades, after it's believed that his tribe was wiped out due to illegal farmers and loggers who would end up encroaching on their land. He became known as Tanaru, or as the Man of the Hole, named after the deep pits he dug inside of every hut he constructed. This is a true story of one of the last isolated individuals in the Amazon rainforest and the mystery surrounding his life. And while we now have footage of the Man of the Hole, that wasn't always the case. The first evidence of the man's existence was documented in 1996 by FUNAI, a Brazilian agency led to protect indigenous populations. They were monitoring land in the Tanaru Indigenous Territory, which is a heavily deforested area, and it's in part due to the illegal farmers and loggers who have come into the area. The Brazilian government determined that there were likely still people living in that region, but they didn't see Tanaru, as they would only come across abandoned settlements. First, they came across a couple of abandoned huts with some footprints and some small crops like corn and manioc. But then they started to notice something pretty strange. Every hut had this deep rectangular hole right in the middle of the floor, and it became clear someone was living there, but they didn't know who it was. And over time, they would come across dozens of these huts with the exact same hole dug in the middle. And that's how he got his nickname, the Man of the Hole.